Hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT. And in today's video, we will be talking about should you prepare for CLAT 2027. So are you a student who is trying to figure out what do they want to do after their schooling? So if you are someone who is considering law as an option and want to sit for CLAT 2027, then in this video, I shall be discussing certain points that you need to keep in mind before choosing law as your career. Today, I'll break down 5 key factors that you need to consider before pursuing law as your profession. Point number 1, confidence in speaking and communication skills. As you know, law is a profession that requires you to communicate with others. No matter what you choose to pursue after studying law, it would require you to communicate with others with respect to case laws, with respect to litigation, with respect to judiciary. Irrespective of the stream you follow after pursuing law, you will be required to have communication skills and have confidence in your speech. So, if you are someone who clearly enjoys debating, enjoys participating in such activities which require you to show your communication skills, then definitely this is an advantage. But don't worry if you are an introvert, that is also okay. Confidence and communication skills both are something that you can develop with time. If you see yourself as doing the same, then definitely law could be a career choice for you. Also, the law school itself also helps you in honing these skills of communication skills and confidently speaking as well. So when you go to your law school, that would also help you as you will participate in moot courts, debating competition. So that would also help you in making these skills better. So ask yourself, do you like making strong arguments? Do you enjoy explaining to people? If yes, then law might be the fit for you. The second point that you should consider is love for reading and extensive research. Now, law is a career that requires you to reread, and extensive research as well. It is not like any other field where you just study once and then you're good to go. Because law is a changing concept. Every time there could be a new law coming up in the country, you might have to read that law even after completing your law school. So, law school and even after that, even after your law school, it requires extensive research. You might have to study up on case laws. You might have to study up on new judgments that the court is passing. You might have to study up on the acts that are passed by the parliament or the state legislative assembly. So it requires you to continuously read and know about the things surrounding legal topics. So make sure you're someone who likes reading, who likes researching on their topics. Definitely law shall be the career choice for you. Also, because law school helps you to understand what could be the different perspective in different cases, that is also a skill you develop in law school. For example, if a case has been filed in court, let's assume it's a divorce case, you might have a perspective and somebody else might have a different perspective. Law school helps you to see from each and every perspective without any bias. That can only come after extensive reading. So that also becomes a part of law as a profession. So definitely if you are someone who loves reading and loves extensive research, then this could be the right career path for you. Point number 3 is working in teams. Now, a lot of people might think that law is a career in which you have to be alone. Even if you have to participate in different moot court competition, debating competition, client counseling competition, you will always require a team. You will require friends who will help you and become a team with you and go and participate in these different activities. Apart from that, even for notes, classes, discussion, group discussion, you will require to form teams. Even the lawyers work in teams. For example, if somebody joins a corporate firm, there is a team of people who works on different case laws. If you join litigation, then also you have a team which work on the same case. Even if you join any other career option after law, then also you might have to work in team mostly. So if you enjoy working with others, brainstorming ideas, definitely law is the career that you can choose for yourself. Point number 4. Now, before pursuing law as a career, you must also understand what are the options that you have after pursuing law from law school. What can you become? I am sure that you would want to know how life will look like 10 years down the line. So 5 years of your law school, after that you will get plethora of career opportunities that you can pick from and choose for yourself. Now, certain career options that I can think of right now could be litigation, could be judiciary, could be corporate law. You could become a teacher as well in law schools. You could work in legal journalism, and also policy and government roles are also there for people coming from legal fraternity. Now, the fifth point that I would want you to consider if you are pursuing law as your career is the ability to handle pressure. Now, obviously, law is a professional line, it is a professional course, and there is pressure in this field. There is competition, you also have to work hard, you have deadlines to submit your cases to your clients and give a judgment, and all of that. Even in law school, you have deadlines, but hard work is everywhere. So, ask yourself, can you handle deadlines? Can you handle the pressure? Do you like working diligently? Then definitely law is a great career option for you. So now we have discussed the 5 points that I wanted to discuss for anyone who wishes to pursue law. So ask yourself these 5 questions. First, do you love debating and communicating? Second, are you comfortable with extensive research and reading? Third, do you enjoy working in teams? Fourth, are you excited about the diverse career options provided to you? And lastly, will you be able to handle deadlines? If your answer is yes to most of the questions above, definitely law is the right career path for you. So alright guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will get back to you, don't worry about it. I will definitely reply to your doubts. So if you are someone who is preparing for CLAT 2027, definitely you can enroll with 12 minutes to CLAT. So we have recently launched a course known as Shikhar 2027. You can check out the course on the website. We also have our app on the App Store and Play Store on which you can check out the course. In this course, we will be taking classes till CLAT and ALET 2027. The classes will be in the evening so that there is no clash with your timetable. And I really hope to see you in the classes, guys. Also, in this course, you get Shakuntala Scholarship, which is if you score below AIR 300, your money shall be returned back to you. I hope this session was helpful. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great year ahead. Take care and bye-bye.